G'day everyone, we're at a local wat here in Kandal and we've just done some traditional things to honour Kinal's mum. Today's Topic Tuesday, I'm actually going to take you back to when she passed away 2019. I've got some footage of some other traditions that we did here. Alright, enjoy. Where are we going, Yaya?
School.
Going to your school? And Yaya's walk to school is along highway number 2 or road number 2. And it's bloody noisy. What are you going to learn today at school? You don't know? Stay this side because there's traffic oncoming here. What's your favourite thing about this school?
I don't know.
You don't know? What don't you like about the school? You don't know? You're very shy all of a sudden. I can't make a YouTube out of this conversation. To give you some context, we're here because Kinal lost her mum over the weekend, so it's not travel for fun, unfortunately this time. As part of tradition, some of the kids in the family become monks and some of them shave their heads. Jesus! It's a big bit of concrete. And the monks aren't allowed to cook or do anything themselves, from what I understand anyway. And here we are here, I think. So this is the pagoda here. So Kinal's nephew, who became a monk for the passing of his grandmother, is being fed by the family, and they can only eat early in the morning and late at night, I think. Is that right, Yaya? The monk cannot eat, can only eat in the morning and at night?
I don't know.
You don't know either. No one can, you can't tell me anything this morning. Oh, yeah. Yeah, come on the right hand side. Yeah. How old is he?
I don't mind it.
You got the rice. Where are we going with this rice? Yaya has run off on us.
She's late.
Maybe she's late. Look, there's kids over there. I don't know if it's good to be walking around here with a camera. Yeah, it is another one. Oh, mono. Say hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good job. Good job. Yes. This Kinal's nephew here. We're going to give him a jiblib saw. Jiblib saw. You've got to show the respect to the monks. And I'm going to give. You want to hold for me?
Yeah. I got the
Oh, no hat. No hat. Thank you. No hat. Bye.
Could thought that with the old.
Good job.
Thought that.
I don't know if that's... Is that right? Is that okay? Okay, good. That one there.
Hello.
Steel.
Steel. Khắp sợi dây. Bơ khắp ba lần nữa.
Alright, let's go. Don't yum? That one there. We're gonna go and eat. Studying? They're gonna go study. Okay, have fun, girls. See you later. Tapte. Let's go home. Tapte is home. How old are you? Matt. Oh, too much. Too hard to dink on the bike. You gonna try again? Hold it still. Jeez, what's your toes in there? Oh gosh. Let's go. Slowly, slowly. Look at that. Zero fear. They're gonna beat me home.